In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track contractors in QuickBooks Time using the browser version. We'll walk through the exact flow you'll use to add a contractor and make sure their hours show up where you need them. I'm using the browser version of QuickBooks Time, and you'll want to be signed in with an account that can manage team members. Start by opening your browser and logging in to QuickBooks Time. Once you're in, look to the left-hand menu and select My Team. This is your hub for managing everyone who tracks time in your company, including contractors. Next, click Add Team Member. You'll see several ways to add your contractor, and the best choice depends on how you work. Share QR code is great if the contractor is with you or on a call. They can scan the code with the QuickBooks Time mobile app and join instantly. Import from software is handy if your contractor already exists in a connected system, so you don't have to retype their info. Add manually lets you enter their details yourself, which is ideal for one-off additions. And send invitation emails and invite directly to the contractor so they can set themselves up. When you add them, enter the contractor's first name, last name, and email. For role, choose Worker. This role lets them track their time without giving access to admin settings. Double-check the email address so invitations and timesheet notifications go to the right place. Assign any time tracking access required. This is where you decide what they can do in the system, like entering time through the app or web, using a time kiosk if you have one, or being assigned to specific jobs. Keep access scoped to what they need to do their work efficiently. Click Save to add the contractor. If you sent an invitation, they'll receive an email to join. Once they're added, their hours flow into your approval and reporting tools. To review what they submit, go to Time Entries, then Approvals. Here you can see hours the contractor has recorded, verify accuracy, and keep your records clean for billing and payroll. For summaries and insights, head to Reports, choose Tracking, and open Hours by Team Member. This report shows total hours per person, including your contractors. Use the filters to focus on what matters. Filter by groups or team members to see specific crews or individuals, or filter by customers to monitor time spent on particular jobs. That's the full process, end-to-end, in the browser version. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.